Welcome to our tutorial on how to enable email notifications on Facebook. If you find yourself missing out on important updates from your friends or groups, enabling email notifications can help you stay up to date. To begin, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Once the app is open, tap on your profile picture located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile settings. Next, tap on the gear icon, also located at the top right corner of the screen. This will give you access to your account settings. From there, tap on the Notifications option to customize your notification preferences. Scroll down in the Notifications menu until you find the section labeled Where you receive notifications. Tap on the Email option to set up email notifications. You will then have the option to add your email address and choose which notifications you would like to receive via email. Simply toggle on the notifications that you want to be emailed about. And that's it! You have successfully enabled email notifications on Facebook. Now you can stay informed and never miss out on important updates, messages, or friend requests again. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful in setting up your Facebook notifications. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy Facebooking!